Good morning, guys. You know where I am. If it starts off like that and I have this cheesy look on my face, I'm at Dollar Tree. So I know that they have put out so many new things. And I'm back at a Dollar Tree that I frequent often. I really need to kind of like venture out a little bit further from where I live and check out those Dollar Trees, because I feel like lately all of these bombshells that Dollar Tree's been dropping, I really haven't been finding. Like the hand sanitizer, there were a lot of like releases from LA Colors and a bunch of other stuff, but my point is I'm gonna go in here, I'm gonna see what they have, and if I find anything good, I'm gonna share it with you guys. So let's go in there. But we're gonna get it. Wait, what is this? Did I just actually find stuff? I feel like something else was missing in here. What? Oh my gosh, look at these. Wait, look at what? Now, I've already found this though, but what? Oh my god, I found them. Oh my god. Wait. Yo. Oh my god. How did I just get this lucky? These adorable little toothbrushes. Are you kidding me? That is just, that's precious. It really is. And this guy right here, this guy is so rich, and he started on YouTube. I mean, Blippi. Oh my god. You guys know how much I love burning little candles in like my guest bathrooms. I'm gonna see if there's one that I want to pick up today. The store surprised me, honestly. It's been very hit or miss, but more of the time I would say a miss. But like, I mean, I obviously still go in there because it's like kind of closer to me, but I really hit a jackpot, so I'm not even gonna mess around. I'm just gonna show you guys what I got. First of all, I spent $66.25, however many items that is, I'll do the math. I found these really adorable headbands. I'm gonna send these to my niece because she is just all things girly pop, and they are like little cat ears. I don't know if you can kind of see like the point, like you get it. Okay, so pink, blue, and purple. I did not see any other color options, and I found these like in the end cap at checkout, so I thought those were super adorable. Then I found that Jot put out the 2-piece button envelopes. I feel like I haven't seen an update to these in a while, but I also feel like I wasn't really like searching these out. But Jot has been doing this combination for years, but they always give us like a new print and new colors. Look how pretty and like pastel that they are. So yeah, you get these 2 envelopes here, little tie-dye moment. Then we have this one, which is like a solid pink with the stripe flap, and then the checkered with the solid flap. So cute. And then we have this one, which is like the stripe. What? I love that. Just if you just need to get in your organization era, you know, those are really cute. All right, so I'm just gonna like get this stuff back in the bag. Then I found these after what, 6, maybe even 8 months, maybe even longer. Comment if you know when these showed on the scene. But look at what your girl found. And actually, I'm using another one to prop up my phone, so I'll grab that one in a second. But these are the personal care items, and personal care is another brand that I'm really seeing like so many good things, so keep your eye out for this personal care line. But these are supposed to be a dupe to the Native body wash. You guys know I love Native. Like, it's my body wash, it's my deodorant. Like, I just love them so much. And I saw people haul this months and months and months ago, and my store just got them. Whether it was a restock and maybe I missed the original launch, you just never know. I feel like this probably was a restock. This is limited edition jelly beans, so it's supposed to smell like, and it does. This one I'm very interested in. You guys know I love to smell like coconut and vanilla. Has anyone been talking about this coconut and vanilla? Because, oh my God. Gluten-free, paraben-free, dye-free, phthalate-free. Am I saying phthalate? I don't know, whatever. Let me get the other one and show you guys the one that I got from my phone. And that I found was peach rings. What? And it smells just like it. I don't even like peach rings, but I know that it smells like it because my mom loves peach rings. Yeah, I'm telling you, the scents on that are spot on. It's insane. Then I did grab a little candle for my guest bathroom. This is sandalwood and rose. I'm not a fan of floral scents, but when I smelled this in the store, I was like, you know what, that's kind of lovely. So it's got like a brown, purpley, I don't know. So I got that. All right. Then I found that Juncture, another brand at Dollar Tree. They've been doing really well since they first like appeared on the scene. This little smiley face tote, I mean, the material isn't that great. You can tell that it's see-through. I don't know how sturdy this is, but what honestly got me were the smiley faces. I feel like I'm getting into my smiley face moment because I saw some like really cute like wrist candy with smiley faces for like women on Pinterest. Wait till you see like my next Temu haul because I went to town trying to find smiley face stuff. And so, I don't know, I just thought it was really cute. All right. Then Jot, y'all know it's my favorite brand. They have put out all new office supplies. Look at her. This iridescent pencil holder. They're calling this a desktop organizer. I'm sorry, what? Okay, I don't even have words. Then Jot has these really beautiful, like purpley berry colored paper clips. I always choose the large. I don't like small paper clips. So, but they have the small in that version as well. Then they put out these push pins that I've never seen before. So these are definitely brand new and they're gorgeous. They're definitely giving us all things girly. Look at this one. Very simple, a little bit more classic if you're not into all of the more colorful things, if you're more neutral like I am. But then they had this and I was like, yeah. The pom-pom felt thing is super cute, brand new. And I'm sorry, but to me, Jot is top tier and nobody can beat Jot, in my opinion. Even though I stubbornly know that there are other better brands at Dollar Tree. There are, but I don't know. I'm just addicted and tied to Jot for some reason. Okay, then you saw me discover the full collection. I didn't even know this was out. I haven't even seen anybody like haul this, but you know, I'm not watching absolutely everything, but I got the whole set, I'm pretty positive, by Be Color, which is the same as Be Pure, by the way. I guess this is just their like makeup line. But this little cherry scented highlighter and blush, it's giving Too Faced. Is that what I'm thinking of? Are they the ones that do the whole candy stuff? Then we have the cherry scented eyeshadow. Look how good and neutral that is. Like, it's just so good. And then we have a cherry scented lip gloss. I am loving this color. I don't know if it has its own specific name, but, and the packaging got me. Then I did get the powder puffs. You see it's by Be Color as well. They just have this like tie-dye, almost like a watercolor effect. Like you can see little spots where it's like a different color. And this packaging, look at this like sprinkle packaging. I noticed this in Dollar Tree, this sprinkle stuff, because I also found it in this makeup brush that looks like a cone. You saw the other one had this sponge. I've already hauled that. I didn't even know that this was around. I don't know if this is a brand new drop or what, but this is precious to me. All right, next up, I picked up these. I can't even tell you what they are. I just literally grabbed them before even thinking about it. But this is Sally Hansen, and it is a nail color and top coat combination. Also, the packaging is really cute. You could use this packaging for junk journaling, so if you're into that, don't throw it away. But look at that, Sally Hansen at Dollar Tree. Just, okay. Then I found these. Okay. This one has been opened though, so. But they're just cute little hair ties that kind of like are in the shape of a donut. So I got every single one that they had. I don't think there's any others to complete the collection, but if I'm wrong, comment down below and let me know. All right. Then, hang on, let me just, I found this super adorable sticker. I don't think I have this one. What I like about it specifically is the color palette. Anytime they kind of give us like aliens or spaceship type stuff, they're always like darker colors or primary colors. All right, so these stickers are just really cute to me. Again, I love the color palette. It's nice to get more of like those feminine, girlier colors on the stickers. Love that. I did pick up some what are these called? Air fresheners. Watermelon, cherry, bubblegum. These I see all the time. Watermelon I don't see as often, so I'm gonna use those for the car. This is also new. I've never seen it before. This is the LA Colors eyeliner and brow pencil. Now this is in the color black. I looked, not that great mind you, but like I kind of flipped through. They all looked like they were black. I would prefer more of a brown for my brows. But as far as like an eyeliner goes, being black, and they give you the sharpener, I was like, you know what, let's try this. Cruelty free. So next up, I got the insect repellent wipes. I actually found these for the first time while I was in Tampa. So if you didn't watch my Tampa Dollar Tree hauls, I'll link them down below. I have a whole travel playlist in case you want to see me hit up. I mean, I have taken you guys to Washington, DC, Miami, Tampa, Ohio, Iowa. I don't even know anymore at this point. But they also have this in a spray version. And, but they also have it in wipes. Now this store did not have the, so I just had to get these. Next up, I got this Himalayan pink bath salt. This is my newest thing that I've been doing as part of like my self-care routine. Is I have been taking really hot baths at night for 30 minutes and soaking. I heard that this reduces your cortisol by 22%. Cortisol gets activated when you're stressed. So that's your stress hormone essentially. And so also taking baths has like a lot of really great benefits. So I wanted to try this pink Himalayan salt. And it says naturally rich in over 80 minerals. That's another thing too. That really like pulled my attention because the minerals I'm hoping just like gets nice and soaked into my bloodstream. So we've got that. Then I found, what do I go in with next? I found this in the car section. It is a disco light. I think it's made for your car. It takes some batteries, 3 AAA batteries, so I don't have that on hand to turn this on and share it with you guys. But like, how cute is that? I don't know what I'm gonna, like, honestly, I'm gonna end up donating this, but you guys know that whenever I haul, I can't absolutely keep everything. I just want you guys to know all the great things that like I absolutely love. But I mean, I could put it in my car, but I mean, I don't know. So anyways, but I thought that was really cool and brand new. Then I found Be Pure put out this hydro gel like eye patch and lip in watermelon. I have not seen this before. It is an aloe vera eye mask and a collagen and watermelon lip mask. Yes, you see the aloe and then that's really cool. I can't wait to try this out. So I'm gonna add that to my collection. And then you saw me find these. I'm not gonna lie, the hand sanitizers made me a little bitter. So I've just had like this attitude where I'm like, I'm just not gonna find it. No, I need to have a better attitude and manifest it. But I found the little sponges and the containers. So we have apple, which is so cute. Then we have the watermelon. And then you get like the makeup sponges in here. The makeup sponges are giving, you know, $19.98, but like I'm here for it. And then you have the cute little pineapple. But what really I love the most is the container. Like I just do. I don't know that I'm that interested in the sponges, but the containers themselves are worth it to me. So I was so happy. I'd already seen them floating around online, so the fact that I found them, yes. Then I found these adorable little elastics with the butterfly. Precious. You could work with these with junk journaling if you wanted to. I'm actually going to send these off to my niece in Canada. But hold on to your hat, because look at what I found. I'm just gonna let it do the talking all on its own. Hair clips. I was searching for like peach, strawberry. I don't know if those are out. I've never seen these before. I just was like, are there any more fruits? If you know if there's any more fruits, comment down below and let us know what you're finding. But this is all that I found, and they are so cute. They have like a rubber thing to them. I have no words. All right, and last but not least, this was what's been on my mind this entire time. Now, unfortunately, I have not completed this collection, but first of all, look at this packaging, okay? It's the same packaging, or I guess I thought it was. This was in the same box. Like, it had a box with like pink stripes. It is a loofah, but it's like a little bath cone, or yeah, loofah ice cream cone. But this right here, I have seen, there's like a whole end cap. This was not in the end cap in this store, by the way. This was in where the loofahs are, okay? They have this, I think, in strawberry. I'm drawing a blank, but there's other fruits. I've only found the pineapple. And the display that this was in, I could tell that it already had been. So like I said, I know that they have other fruits. I really, really want the strawberry one, but I secured a pineapple. So you know what? This went way better than I could have expected. I feel like that was a pretty good jackpot haul. I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you for letting me do this and be on YouTube this long. I hope sharing these items is at all helpful for you to kind of like know what's going on in Dollar Tree. And it's wild to me that like I'm going on over 24 years of like shopping at Dollar Tree, and over like 12, I think, hauling it on YouTube. So it never gets old for me, and I hope you guys love it. So thank you so much for hanging out with me today, and I'll see you next time. Bye.